Dear students, welcome to the classroom. In previous video, we have learned what is a computer, and today we are going to start the second lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 1, lesson number 2, Parts of a Computer. Dear students, on screen you can see the main parts of a computer. There are 6 main parts of a computer. Number 1, monitor. Number 2, keyboard. Number 3, mouse. Number 4, CPU. Number 5, speakers. Number 6, printer. Dear students, do you know what is this? This is a monitor. The monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows whatever you type using the keyboard. You can watch videos on it. Dear students, do you know what is this? This is a keyboard. The keyboard is used to write. The keyboard has many keys on it. Dear students, do you know what is this? This is a mouse. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is kept and moved on a mouse pad. Dear students, do you know what is this? This is a CPU. The big box next to a computer is called the CPU. Dear students, do you know what are these? These are speakers, and speakers are used to listen to music. Dear students, do you know what is this? This is a printer, and a printer is used to print on paper. Dear students, in this video we have learned the parts of a computer. So watch the video carefully and understand the names of parts of a computer.